Watch this. Here I go. Woo! Back up. Watch out. You know what on me up. Not to show you what I'm working with. Well, Alibaba, he had them 40 thieves. Shahrazad, he had 1,000 tales. But master, you're in luck, because up your sleeves you got a brand of magic never fails. You got some power in your corner now, heavy ammunition in your camp. You got some punch my ass, and ow, all you gotta do is rub that lamp, and then I'll say, Mr. Man, what's your name? Whatever, what will your pleasure be? Let me take your order, I'll jot it down. You ain't never had a friend like me. Life is your restaurant, and I'm your maitre d'. Now whisper to me whatever it is you want. You ain't never had a friend like me. Can your friends do this? Can your friends do that? Can your friends pull this? How do they never have? Can your friends go? I'm the genie of the lamp. I can sing, rap, dance if you give me a chance. Oh, Mr. Aladdin, yes, one wish or two or three. Well, I'm on the job with Big Nabob. You ain't never had a friend, never had a friend. You ain't never had a friend, never had a friend. You ain't never had a friend, like. You ain't never had a friend like me.
Suur aplaus! Teie ees oli Katariina ja Liisbet, suur aitäh teile!